Hey everyone, it's MKBHD here, and let's talk about the Google Pixel 9a. Google just dropped their latest and greatest, and it's making waves in the smartphone world. Launched on March 19th, 2025, this phone is all about delivering premium features without the premium price tag. Starting at 49,999 rupees, the Pixel 9a is ready to shake things up. First up, the display. The 6.3-inch touchscreen is seriously impressive. We're talking 1080 by 2424 resolution, which translates to a crisp 422 pixels per inch. And to top it off, it's rocking Corning Gorilla Glass 3 for that extra layer of protection. But hold on, we're just getting started. Under the hood, the Pixel 9a packs a punch with the powerful Tensor G4 octa-core processor, paired with 8 GB of RAM and running the latest Android 15. This phone can handle anything you throw at it. Multitasking, gaming, you name it, the Pixel 9a is up for the challenge. Now let's talk battery life. The Pixel 9a rocks a massive 5100 mAh battery. That's right, 5100 mAh. This thing is designed to keep up with your busy life, and when it's time to recharge, you've got options. The Pixel 9a supports both wireless charging and Google's proprietary fast charging technology. Juicing up your phone has never been easier or faster. Camera time. The Pixel 9a boasts an impressive dual rear camera setup. We're talking a 48 megapixel f/1.7 primary lens for those stunning shots, and a 13 megapixel f/2.2 ultra-wide lens for capturing those epic landscapes. And let's not forget about the autofocus, which makes sure your photos are always sharp and in focus. The front camera boasts a 25 megapixel sensor for crystal clear selfies and video calls. But wait, there's more. The Pixel 9a comes with a generous 256 gigabytes of internal storage. That's a ton of space for all your photos, videos, apps and games. And if you're someone who travels a lot, you'll appreciate the SIM card flexibility. The Pixel 9a supports GSM, GSMA Nano SIM and even eSIM. Let's talk design. The Pixel 9a is sleek, modern and built to impress. It's available in 3 stunning colors: iris, obsidian, peony and porcelain, with dimensions of 154.7 by 73.3 by 8.9 millimeters and weighing in at just 185.9 grams. It's ergonomically designed to fit comfortably in your hand. And did I mention it's IP68 rated? That means it's dust and water resistant, so you can take it with you on all your adventures. We can't forget about connectivity. The Pixel 9a is packed with the latest and greatest. We're talking Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n/ac/ax for blazing fast internet speeds. You've got Bluetooth 5.3 for all your wireless accessories. And of course, it wouldn't be a 2025 flagship without 5G support. But wait, there's still more. The Pixel 9a is loaded with sensors. We're talking accelerometer, ambient light sensor, barometer, compass, magnetometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, in-display fingerprint sensor, and even face unlock. This phone is all about providing a seamless and intuitive user experience. So, there you have it, folks. The Google Pixel 9a is a true game changer. From its powerful performance to its stunning camera and sleek design, this phone is in a league of its own. If you're looking for a smartphone that can keep up with your life and then some, look no further than the Pixel 9a. And hey, if you want to dive deeper into the world of tech, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the latest and greatest. Until next time, keep it techie.